We're all good.
Yeah, you're fine.
Restaurant down. Nobody else gets in.
Someone's gonna try though.
Nope. We're gonna just smile.
Uh-oh. Just smile.
It's all right. No room at the end.
Missing Alabama at this hotel this week. Missing the train.
Oh my.
Especially on weekdays.
Uh-oh.
We got a local.
Yeah, we're definitely full.
Yes.
No one else can come in.
We're pushing one out if one comes in.
Uh-oh. I thought it
Oh, see,
stopped.
it must have known. It's like Express. We're full now.
Yeah, it's,
Nope.
Nope.
No, dear.
Just give a big smile when it opens.
And no one
No
comes
can
in.
do.
They probably heard us and they're just like, oh, never mind.
Okay.
We don't know.
Now we're there.
Ah.
She should be on front by
It's
now.
gonna start getting hot.
She didn't call.
Mm.
Yes.
Everybody else did. Just go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.